Hey guys, it's Clary and today I'll be showing you the top 5 most realistic Minecraft shaders. First up, we have Continuum RT. It's got near ray traced quality, it's got extremely realistic lighting, incredible reflection, cinematic visuals, but it does require a very powerful PC. Next up, we have Zeus BTGI or Zeus Renewed. This is famous for its natural lighting and beautiful indirect illumination. It's got great reflections and very realistic textures, and the PTGI version offers path trace lighting. Up next, we have Kappa shaders. These have a very realistic sky, excellent atmosphere, they've got natural color grading and fantastic weather effects. It's one of my personal favorites. Up next, we have Solus Shader. This has got beautiful physically based lighting, highly realistic water, it's got excellent performance for its quality. And last but not least, we've got Nostalgia VX. This is an underrated one, but it's got photorealistic lighting, warm cinematic colors, stunning sunsets, and it's one of my favorites for screenshots. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to play more multiplayer games with your friends, you can go ahead and check out Server.pro.